With Power Dreams, the experience of enjoying wine is easy, modern, and luxurious. Simply twist the foil cutter around the wine bottle to remove the foil. Place the electric wine opener on the bottle and with the push of a button, effortlessly remove the cork. Place the electric wine aerator on the bottle and aerate the wine into the glass. Now enjoy your glass of wine. And when finished, place the set back into the case. This bundle is perfect for wine lovers. This set includes an electric wine opener, electric wine aerator, foil cutter, 2 stoppers, and a storage bag. This set has all you need to enjoy the experience of a fine wine.